Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Now today I'm going to be making a Caribbean carrot juice, alright? That means it's going to be very tasteful, very flavorful, and no, this is not for weight loss, but it is very delicious, okay? So in this video we're going to need a few little things. We're going to need about 2 pounds of carrots. We're also going to be needing 1 cup of our sweet milk. Today I got my magnolia. We're also going to need some nutmeg. And you're also going to need some vanilla extract. Okay, now I also got my water sitting in the blender. It's 5 cups of water that you're going to need for this recipe. Okay, and you're going to need the juice of 2 pounds of carrots. So we're going to be also working with our juicer as well as our blender today. So what you're going to do is you're going to strip the carrots and you're going to just cut the ends off of it. Okay? And after cutting the ends, we're going to start juicing our carrots. Alright? So let's start right now with the juicing of the carrots. Okay, you guys, so far I got 2 cups of juice, and we're going to pour this inside of our blender. Okay, and proceed now with juicing the rest of our carrots. Okay, you guys, so we are finished. Now this, I've just juiced another cup. Okay, so we're actually doing 3 cups of carrot juice and 3 cups of water. Alright, so we're going to put that inside of our blender and continue now with the rest of our ingredients. So now we're going to measure in 1 teaspoon of our vanilla extract. Okay, we're going to sprinkle in some of our ground nutmeg, and that's basically to taste. And it says about 8 ounces, which is 1 cup of our sweet milk, but as well you can do that to taste. And if you had any rum, if you decided you wanted to make this a little spicy, put a little rum in there. You would throw your rum in there as well. Okay, so let's blend this up right now. Now, you really don't have to use a blender for this, honestly. You just pour everything in a pitcher and stir. Me and myself, I wanted to do it the lazy way. We're just going to pour this in our pitcher and finish flavoring it. And that's it, you guys. You mix everything into your pitcher. If you want, you can blend it, but it's probably best you just mix it until it's mixed very well instead of using the blender. The blender gets a little messy. So I decided to do it this way, which is a whole lot better. And then you could just add in your ingredients, flavor to taste. I'm putting a little bit more nutmeg in there to bring out more of that rich carrot juice flavor that I've grown to love. And this accents any type of dinner. You can make this as a refreshment for, you know, on the side of dinner. I mean, you can make this just to have and drink throughout the day. So like I said, you can also flavor with some rum to add some more kick to it. It's how I grew up on it. My mom used to make this all the time, but without the rum. I would say for a pitcher this size, you would probably need like 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Okay, and that's it. After you finish making it, you are definitely able to drink it. You store it in your refrigerator, okay, and let it get chilled. Or if you wanted, you could put some crushed ice in there and blended it together. But that's how you make it. Your wonderful Caribbean flavored carrot juice. Very healthy. Carrots are very good for you. And it's not for weight loss, but it is very refreshing and very delicious, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more flavorful drinks that are healthy for you to have on the side of your meals, just let me know down at the bottom and I got that for you. Alright, so thank you again and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.